Hello my dear students, this video is for class 8 and in this video we will discuss exercise 1, 1.1 chapter is rational number. We will discuss exercise 1.1 and its question. So moving towards the first question of the exercise, what he said that using appropriate properties find the following. क्या कहा कि यूजिंग अप्रोप्रिएट प्रॉपर्टीज फाइंड द फॉलोइंग. सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज -2/3 into 3/5 plus 5/2 minus 3/5 into 1/6. First you will write it and then you will use commutative property. You will write -2/3 as it is, 3/5 as it is. Now see this -2/3 is here, sorry, mine 3/5 is here and 3/5 is also here. So you will take these two terms together. So what will you do? You will write -2/3 and 3/5, this -2/3, this 3/5, and you will write it before -3/5 into 1/6 and this 5/2 here. So you will use here commutative property. Commutative property meaning, what does mean by commutative property? You will multiply 3/4 or multiply 4/3, result will be same. So here you will change the, you will take this term as before of this 5/2. आपने इस टर्म को क्या ले लिया, पहले ले लिया और इसको बाद में रीअरेंज किया. यू आर, इट मीन्स you are rearranging this. So now taking 3/5, 3/5 is here and 3/5 is here. So you will take 3/5 as common, and now 3/5 is common. So here what is remaining? Here is -2/3. Now 3/5 is taken outside. What is the remaining portion is -1/6. This minus sign. So -1/6 and bracket close, and remaining portion is plus 5/2. So after solving this and multiplying 3/5 as it is, and you will solve this by taking LCM or by division, 5/2 as it is. Now this -3/5 as it is, after solving you will get -5/6 plus 5/2 as it is. Now multiplying this cancel हो जाएगा, 3/6, this will 1 and 2, so you will get -1/2 and this 5 cancel, this will become -1/2 and this is plus 5/2. So after solving this -1/2 and 5/2, taking LCM and solving, you will get 2 as your answer. So in this first question, first you will use commutative property. In commutative property you will rearrange the rational numbers. Next you will use distributive. Distributive means this term is distributed one by one to the terms. For example, if 3 is taken and here 1 plus 4. So what does distributive meaning? That 3 is distributed over 1 plus 3. When 3 is distributed over 1, you will get 3 into 1 plus, now 3 is distributed over 4. So 3 is distributed term by term on the both terms. So first it will distributed over 1 and then it is distributed over 4. So you will get 3 into 4. So your answer will be 3 plus 7, 10 will be your answer. Distributive property. First you will use commutative property and then you will use distributive property. In the second part, 2/5 and 3/-7, 1/6 into 3/2 plus 1/14 into 2/5. Now you see 2/5 is here and 2/5 is here. So you will taking these two terms together. You will take these terms together with this term. So you will get 2/5. See, you will get 2/5 into 3/7 and this 2/5 आपने क्या किया, वो 2/5 वाली टर्म को भी आगे ले आए और बीच में क्या रहा, बीच वाली टर्म्स -1/6 into 3/2. So taking 2/5 again as common, you will write it here as that using commutative property. Next you will take 2/5 as common and remaining portion is inside. So using distributive property, this 2/5 is distributed over this and this. You will after solving, and you will get your answer minus 11 by 28. Next question is, write the additive inverse of the following. So you have to write the additive inverse. First you will have to find out the additive inverse of 2 by 8. So when you find out additive inverse, you will have to find out the additive identity, and that is 0. What will be you add in 2 by 8 so that result will be 0? You will add minus 2 by 8, just negative of this number. What will be the negative of this is, this number is positive, so your result will be minus, negative. So you will get minus 2 by 8 as your answer. So you will write that additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Okay, just positive terms will become negative and negative will become positive. In the second part, term is minus 5 by 9. So how you will get, the method is, you want to find 0. So minus 5 by 9 में what is added, so that you will get, what is added so that you will get 0. minus 5 by 9 में क्या ऐड करें कि 0 मिले, you will add here plus 5 by 9. So your additive inverse will be negative kind, additive inverse will be positive 5 by 9. What will be? Positive 5 by 9. Similarly, in case of, in the third part, minus 6 by minus 5, minus 6 by minus 5, this minus and this minus is cancelled out, you will get 6 by 5. So what will be the additive inverse of 6 by 5? It is positive term, so your result will be minus 6 by 5. So additive inverse of 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. You will write here that additive inverse of 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. So in the fourth part, your term is 2 upon minus 9. You will write it as minus 2 upon 9, taking negative on the numerator part, so numerator side. So negative minus 2 by 9, additive inverse of this is positive 2 by 9. So your result will be positive 2 by 9. Negative का positive और positive का negative, so your result will be 2 by 9, positive 2 by 9. In the last part, what will be the additive inverse of 19 upon minus 6? It is very important question. Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse 1 mark question जरूर आता है. So 19 upon minus 6 क्या हो जाएगा? minus 19 upon 6, and its additive inverse will be negative का क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? पॉजिटिव. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 19 upon 6. So your result will be, additive inverse will be 19 upon 6. Same way में question number 3 is, verify that minus of minus x, that minus of minus x is equal to x. So you will put here value of x and you will get the result. First you will take left hand side and then right hand side. X is equal to 11 by 15. Putting in this you will get minus left hand side. On putting left hand side you will get minus of 11 by 15 is equal to right hand side is x only, so it is 11 by 15. Now this minus and this minus will become plus, so 11 by 15 is equal to 11 by 15, and result left hand side is equal to right hand side, so it is verified. You will put the values and you will easily get the result. Here x is minus 13 by 7, so putting in this result minus as it is, see, you will put in this minus and minus x, minus as it is, bracket start. Now taking minus, this minus as it is, and x is minus 13 upon 17. Okay, now this minus and this minus will become positive, so your result will be minus 13 upon 17 on the left hand side. Now on the right hand side you will put x, and x is minus 13 upon 17 already as it is, so you will put and you will get that left hand side and right hand side are the same, so it is verified. Now next question is, find the multiplicative inverse. Now in case of additive inverse you have to find out the 0 on right hand side, what is added so that you will get 0. In case of multiplicative inverse, what is multiplied by, for example you have to find out the multiplicative inverse of minus 13. So what will you multiply it by minus 13 so that your answer will be 1. What will you multiply? You will multiply it by 1 upon minus 13. If you just reverse the digits, numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So here minus its result will be, the number is minus 13 upon 1, so its inverse will be 1 upon minus 13. So its inverse will be, multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 by 3, so the result will be minus 1 by 13. एडिटिव इन्वर्स में आपने साइन चेंज करना है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव करना है, पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव। और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स में आपने क्या करना है, न्यूमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमिनेटर। सेम इन एग्जाम्पल हेयर माइनस 13 अपॉन 19, सो इट्स रिजल्ट विल बी 19 अपॉन माइनस 13, इट्स मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स। ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट 1 by 5, its multiplicative inverse will be 5 by 1. You can say its result will be 5. So 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. Next, in here you can multiply these term. You will get 5 into 3 15 and 8 into 7 56, and this minus minus also. So you will get 15 upon 56. So its multiplicative inverse will be 56 upon 15. So this will be your answer. So multiplicative inverse is 56 upon 15. Here you will get 2 by 5. So its multiplicative inverse will be, 5 upon 2. Similarly, minus 1, you can write minus 1 as 1 by 1. So its inverse will be 1 upon minus 1. And you can say its inverse is also minus 1. So multiplicative inverse of this is 1 upon minus 1. Now question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used, आपको प्रॉपर्टी लिखनी है जहाँ ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज हो रही है इन द फॉलोइंग। सो इन फर्स्ट यू विल सी दैट देयर इज 4 by 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into 4 by 5. So 1 is used as a multiplicative identity to get the left hand side, and left hand side, right hand side is the same. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. And here you can see that you will just rearranging the digit, माइनस 2 by 7 पहले लिख लिया और 13 by 17 को बाद में जो है मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। इट इज़ नोन एज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, सो रिजल्ट विल बी, you can write that commutative property is used here. Now third part, minus 19 upon 29 and 29 upon minus 19 is equal to 1. You can see that this is the multiplicative inverse of this number. So here you, what is the what property is used, multiplicative inverse property, multiplicative inverse property. So this is all about question number 5. Question number 6 to 10 we will discuss in another video. Thank you.